Why was Christ given the title of Sacred Heart of Jesus? Hello po, Father. Ako po si Marian Kitling Katubay ng NOLP Junior Legionary. Father, why was Christ given the title of Sacred Heart of Jesus? Thank you po, Father.
So we can better understand the devotion to the Sacred Heart of Jesus, magandang balikan po natin ang scriptural origins at ang historical background of it. Biblically speaking, maaari natin gamitin ang Gospel of John as the inspiration for this devotion. Sa Last Supper, we read that the beloved disciple was resting his head on Jesus' chest bilang pagpahayag ng intimacy niya sa puso ni Jesus. Isa pa, when Jesus died on the cross, Jesus' side, which is close to his heart, was pierced with a soldier's lance at bumuhos ang tubig at dugo that symbolize the sacraments of baptism and the Eucharist respectively that are born out of divine love. Well, historically speaking, masasabi na noong early Middle Ages, between the 11th and the 13th centuries, meron ng mga paunang revelations kay St. Gertrude the Great tungkol sa debosyon sa banal na puso ni Jesus. Ngunit yung talagang debosyon ay nagsimulang lumawak dahil sa mga apparitions or pagpapakita mismo ng Panginoong Jesus kay St. Margaret Mary Alacoque from 1673 to 1675 at the Visitation Convent in Paray-le-Monial in France. And in her visions, Jesus was showing her his heart as a burning furnace of love na madalas appearing na parang nakukurunguhan ng tinig at may nakatampok na puso. In her visions, Jesus expressed to her his burning desire that na siya ay makilala at ang kanyang infinite love and asking for the faithful na tumanggap ng banal na komunyon tuwing unang biyernes ng buwan at italaga ang taunang kapistahan ng Sacred Heart of Jesus. At sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay pinagdiwang ang misa dedicated to the Sacred Heart in 1672 ni St. John Eudes. At naging universal feast na ito when Pope Pius IX designated it as a universal feast in 1856, the Friday after the feast of the Corpus Christi. And Leo XIII consecrated the entire world to the Sacred Heart of Jesus officially. So ano ba talaga ang kapistahan? Ito ay tungkol kay Jesus na ang pangalan ay ibig sabihin, the God who saves. At ibinibigay ang kanyang bukas at banal na puso ng awang malasakit at pagmamahal para sa kaligtasan ng tanan.